So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can match the drone colors and camera colors footages together. Like for example, if I recorded something with a drone camera and with a normal camera, you'll notice that there might be some color difference. Now, in order to get that back in just one click, all you need to do is to just simply select the video clip. For example, this is a drone clip. Now, under the effects panel, search for Lumetri color right there under the lumetri color section. Just simply copy this effect on the video clip. Now here click on this option of color wheel and match, hit on this option of comparison view. Now set this to the point where your camera effects will be right there, and once you select it, like this is the video recorded from camera, so just simply hit on this option of apply match. Once you do it, it will take some time. It has started to analyze, and you'll notice that the effect have been applied on both of it to match the color. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.